So guys, Africa, many people came into my inbox telling me to come and talk about the incident that happened in Democratic Republic of Congo. I've learned that many people would like influencers to have their say. They would want to know where is the standpoint. Does he support the execution or he doesn't support the execution? In case you don't know, more than 170 youths between the age of 15 to 35 are going to be killed, are going to be executed in DRC. Reason being, the government is saying that they have been involved in banditry, criminal armed robbery. A number of people have supported this move, saying, yeah, it is right, it is good. To me, personally, I think it's not right. And this brings me to the debate of bail, bond, and the death penalty. The reason as to why these things, these technical terms, have been introduced into the legal system is because of negligible error and also circumstances under which authorities may want to influence certain proceedings of the law. I want to give examples from me. They are small ones, but I think they're very important. When I was at campus at Ndeje University for my Bachelor of Science and Agriculture, main campus, in my second year, I served in the Gill cabinet as Constitution Minister. There was a boy who came, very short and very brown, almost white. A fresher, first year student. The boy wanted, there's a hostel which is known as Kakungulu Hall. That hostel is most preferred by many people because you sleep almost alone, or only two in the hostel, not four like the other rooms. But it was preserved for student leaders and then those who are sports students, because they will need quick access to the gym and also near the kitchen, and then also the finalists. They're the ones who have been prioritized to sleep in the side of Lady Hiring campus. Lady Hiring for the boys, where there was Kakungulu and Kakungulu Annex, and so on and so on. So this boy wanted to have a room there, but by that time also, I was the governor of that hall, as well serving as a member in the Constitution Committee, Constitution Ministry. So this boy tried all his best. I refused. He told me that he wants now to bribe. He pulled 500,000 very brand new notes of the gonya, the chimpanzee. Still, I refused, honestly, because I never wanted any repercussion on me. And because I also knew, since he's still a fresher, he doesn't know how the campus runs, and he may end up ruining his life, because there you will have quick access to ladies and so on. So the boy started looking at me like an enemy. The boy went ahead to the dean's office I don't know how he convened the dean's office. The dean brought him back, gave me instruction to allow the boy. Yes, I followed. And I gave the boy. He was assigned one of the rooms. This boy kept the thing in his heart. In the next semester, the boy's laptop got lost. Yes, sincerely, it got lost. The boy had to accuse me. He even came and started fighting me and tore my shirt. If some people think I'm lying, let me get the shirt. This is the part that got torn. This is the shirt. Gill Cabinet 2019-2020 of Ndeje University. So, the boy took this case to the police that I'm the one who has stolen his laptop alongside my vice. So when the police came, they came abruptly and started doing their search. They don't get anything. Then I went myself and followed the police because they were already preparing the file to go to court. I had to explain to them that this young boy told me his father is a very big general. This is what happened. I denied him a room, but later on he got, so he kept the grudge. So the police understood, and then they dropped that file. I did not even pay any shilling. I just spoke the truth, and very hard, very emotional. That is when I started realizing that mob justice or any harsh penalty is not very good for mankind. Because I started seeing that no, there are circumstances that people get accused for nothing, without committing any crime. Zero. Now for the case of Congo. Congo is the world's richest in terms of resources, natural resources, but then the world's poorest economically. Congo leaders, the citizens have been suffering in wars, economic crisis. Your country cannot even be discussed anywhere. Talk about democracy, you're not there. Governance, you're not there. Leadership, you're not there. Economics, you're not there. Whatever, you're not there. And today, you're the one who pulls 170, 15 to 35 years old youth to go and execute. I'm pretty sure chances are innocent people among them. But even if they're all guilty, did they go through the court? Did they go through the court? Because they have to be proven guilty. They're civilians. They're not military. They have to be proven guilty before anything. You see, Amnesty has issued a statement on the thing, calling for immediate halt by President Tshisekedi. Said he must halt it. A lot of people are jubilating. Oh, good. I've been seeing people do mob justice, killing thieves and the rest. Let me tell you, the reason as to why those kind of harsh treatment without going through judicial process is harsh, is bad. Now, in a society where if they shout that you're a thief, they just stone you straight away. It used to happen in Lera. What what if I have an enemy? Because people are with enemies. What if I have an enemy? I have a friend who does not go well with me, someone who does not like me. And also, I've seen the way politics, like the politics in Agago district, have been. If someone hates you, now that is very possible for the person to accuse you for no reason. And you get stoned and you are killed publicly. And this thing also is possible with the issue of bigger politicians, like the presidents. Simply because of someone being opposition, they can be called rebel. And capital offense would be upon them. Treason will be upon them. Politicians can easily manipulate. Imagine a country without bail, without bond, and also there's death penalty. Come on. Is that country really civilized? The only reason as to why those things are supposed to be in place, bail should be there, bond should be there, and there should be no death penalty, is because of negligibility of errors. Admitting human error, admitting that most people will not declare their interest since they are already in the authority. It is a question of personal interest of those in authority. Will they not use the law? Will they not humanize the law to deal with their opponents? It's like in most homes, the husbands being the head of the family, they are now misusing that power on their family members, including the wife. Playing with the feelings of the wife, like whatever. I can get as many wives as I want and so on. And in any way, what can you do? I'm the one who brought you. So, bail is very important. Bond is very important. And death penalty is not good. The reason is clear. If it is influenced to shoot a personal interest, it can be very dangerous. Will end someone's life without giving room for investigation. Like denying bail or bond, someone will stay in jail, and yet at the end, the person may be proven innocent. Yes, the point is, innocent until proven guilty. Where is that thing going away? The African leaders. And I remember, there's one thing that I said, there's one thing that I said at the District Service Commission in Padre District. Thank God that District Service Commissioner, the chairperson, is no longer serving there. That if there shall be any rebel in any African country, it will be the vastly frustrated, talented, skillful, educated, young, but unemployed African youths. If you see all those people, the people who will be killed, you will see those elements in them. You will realize they're even educated. African countries, African presidents should have sleepless night for only one reason: unemployment. I mean, the country, Congo, the richest via minerals, but the poorest economically. And the presidents are collecting the youths to go and kill. If that is the trend, then that president must be ready to kill a lot more to come. This is a painful thing. I don't support crime, 100%. But also we must remember that the rule of law is important. What is civilization? The days when you know it, you pick panga like animals and you cut someone's neck. It's normal. And someone whose neck has been cut, the relatives come and just revenge by killing the person. That is what when we went to State House, it was being talked about. The alternative dispute resolutions adopted from Acholi, the things like matter food and the rest. We need these things. It is not just, after all, the person who has committed a certain crime like killing is not reversible. It's painful. That's not reversible. Africa. And I saw citizens, I don't know whether they're the tribe mates of that president or the minister, clapping hands. Some of them, they were clapping hands. Oh yes. Oh. Sorry, I'm just recovering from malaria, so it's turning into cough. So this is it. I've experienced this, being accused for no reason. And you don't have to wait to be accused for no reason, then you start standing up for human rights or for the rule of law. African presidents, African leaders must wake up. Some of the youths are dying in the Indian Ocean, in the Red Sea, trying to cross to Europe to go and make a living. And yet everything of wealth is got from Africa. Is it sustainable? I say this a long time. For as long as they neglect the issue of employment and yet applying unfavorable unfavorable fiscal policies like unfair taxation, ignoring headline inflations, the African leaders must be prepared to kill a lot of young people because they will want to survive. In other words, starting thinking of how you can help them. That is the only thing. How can you help the young people make a living? Thank you. Thank you so much.